Hi everybody and welcome back to Hardly From channel. In today's video I'm going to show you some top tricks of your TCL MoveAudio S200 headphones. So actually these headphones are the most basic ones you can buy on the internet right now. And it's because I don't have the application to manage them. But the really top trick I liked is that if we pair our headphones with our phone, the Google automatically detects Android phone automatically detects that our headphones are this model S200, and it's easily recognized, and all device types are set, and the algorithms are prepared for the headphones, and the audio quality is better. It uses, as I remember, Google Fastpair 2.0, as I remember, of course. So I think that's a top trick, the first top trick of this device. The second top trick is that in these headphones we do have the touch panels, touch areas. They can do a lot of nice gestures using them, and it makes our life easier. For example, you can answer the calls, decline the calls, play music, pause music, etc. It's very nice. I don't really say that it isn't. And the third top trick I think is nice is that we have the connectional button, which is here. It's easier to enter the bank mode or check battery percentage or any other thing using with this button, as you can see, not using the touch areas, because sometimes the touch areas break and you can't pair your headphones now. Even on the Earbuds 2 Pro we have the button, as you can see here. That's it, hope it helps you and have a nice day.